this one's gonna be on how to download Eclipse for Java developers on Windows 10. So all you would do is go to your browser and type in Eclipse for Java developer, press enter. Okay, and then go ahead and click on the link here. Alright, and there we go. So now that we're here, we can actually go ahead and download it. So go ahead and get the depending on the version that you want, if you want a 32-bit or the 64-bit, go ahead and click on the one that you want. So I'm gonna go with the 64-bit. Then after that, go ahead and save the file. Once it's finished downloading, let's go ahead and extract the file. I'm gonna go ahead and use 7-zip for that. So we're just gonna go ahead and extract to the same folder. There we go. So now we can go ahead and look at the folder, see what's inside of it. So there we go, Eclipse is there. So all you would do is go ahead and grab the Eclipse folder, go ahead and cut that or copy it, and then just go ahead and throw it wherever you want. More than likely you want it under program files. Okay, and then just go ahead and paste it in here. Click on continue. Okay, now once it's in here, the only thing you want to go ahead and do is want to go ahead and include this. We're gonna go ahead and copy this, and then we're just gonna go to the path. So let's type in path, and then go ahead and click on the link here, and let's go ahead and add it to the path. Go ahead and click on edit, and then new, and then we're just gonna go ahead and paste in the path to it. Click OK, OK. And then that should be all. We can actually go ahead and run it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now you didn't have to add Eclipse to the path. The only reason why I would recommend that is because when you're working, when you start developing, you probably do want access to the path. So that's the only reason why. And let's go ahead and click on OK. Okay, and there we go. So now you have Eclipse IDE for Java developers set up, and now you can go ahead and start coding in Java. So that's it. That's how you're able to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers on Windows 10. So that's it for now. Bye.